In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable formulas. We'll walk through creating a formula field from scratch, plus an optional way to have Airtable's AI help you write one. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to confirm everything is working as expected. First, head over to Airtable in your browser and sign in if prompted. Open the base, sometimes called your app, where you want to calculate values. Make sure you're looking at the table and view where your data lives, since that's where the new formula field will appear. Now add a new field. Look to the far right of your existing fields and click the plus sign. This opens the new field panel. Give your field a clear name so you'll recognize it later, like total or summary. Next, change the field type. In the field type picker, start typing the word formula to filter the options. When you see formula, select it. This tells Airtable that this field will be computed from other fields rather than typed in manually. As soon as you choose formula, you'll see the formula editor. You can write your own expression here or let Airtable help. If you prefer assistance, click Create Formula with AI. In the prompt, describe what you want. For example, that you want to sum values from other number fields. Airtable will suggest a formula based on your description. If you're comfortable writing it yourself, type a sum values formula that adds up the number fields you already have. Reference fields by their exact names, and if a field name includes spaces or special characters, keep it wrapped in braces. A quick tip: formulas work best when the fields you're referencing are formatted as numbers, so check that your source fields aren't text. If you see an error in the preview, double-check spelling, parentheses, and field types. When your formula looks right and the preview returns the numbers you expect, click Create Formula to insert it into the editor. This confirms your expression. Finally, click Create to add the new formula field to your table. You'll now see a computed column that updates automatically as your underlying data changes. If results don't look correct, scan a few rows to confirm the math and adjust the formula if needed. You can always reopen the field, tweak the expression, and save. That's it. Your Airtable formula is live and ready to streamline your workflow.